Stop scrolling. Discover the secrets to making serious cash on Amazon. Let's dive in. First up, Amazon FBA. Source products and let Amazon handle storage, shipping, and customer service. Focus on research and marketing while Amazon does the rest. Next, Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Promote products on your site or social media and earn commissions. Low startup costs, but commissions vary. For artisans, try Amazon Handmade. Sell your unique crafts and reach Amazon's massive audience. Writers, Kindle Direct Publishing is for you. Publish your books and earn royalties per sale. Got design skills? Merch by Amazon lets you create custom apparel without upfront costs. Prefer small tasks? Amazon Mechanical Turk offers flexible, remote gigs. Want your own brand? Private labeling or retail arbitrage might be your thing. Lastly, offer local services through Amazon Services, perfect for freelancers. Choose what fits you best and start making money on Amazon today.